I'm going to call it CentOS 6.3 VM for virtual machine. And then I'm going to Control Alt, go down, click on Next. I could configure the network if I want. I'm going to click on Next. Let's just click on this to see the screen. This gives me various options here: wired, wireless, mobile, broadband, VPN, and DSL. I'm going to close and then click on Next. And now I'm going to have to use Alt Tab again to go up. And New York is fine. Notice I can zoom in and out. This is similar to Fedora, where you're able to zoom in and out. Pretty nice. And Control Alt to get out. Go down. System clock uses UTC. Click inside, click on Next. Control Alt to get out. I'm going to have to be doing this. Root password. I'm just going to type that in. Root password is typed. Click on Next. You have provided a weak password. It is based on a dictionary word. I'm going to click on Use Anyway. And then it gives me some options. Here I can use all the space, replace existing Linux system, shrink current system, use free space, create custom layout. This is similar to how we saw it before in Fedora. And replace existing Linux system, that's what I'm going to do. Or use free space, retains your current data. I don't want to retain any data, so I'm just going to replace existing current system. And click on Next. I have the option of encrypting, reviewing, or modifying partition layout. I'm just going to leave it at default for this video. The partitioning options you have selected will now be written to disk. Any data on deleted or reformed partitions will be lost. Write changes. I'm just going to Control Alt out of here just to confirm there's nothing on the top. Yes, there's nothing, and write changes to disk. It's doing its automatic partitioning and installation progress. I'm going to go up here. The default installation of CentOS is a minimum install. You can optionally select a different set of software now. Please select any additional repositories that you want to use for software installation. Add additional software repositories, customize later. In this screen, I could select minimal desktop. You know what? I'm going to select minimal desktop because I do want to see a graphical user interface so that I can do updates and things like that. I'm also going to click on Add Additional Software Repositories just to show you the screen, the dialog. As you can see, repository name, repository type, HTTP, FTP, CD, DVD, NFS, which is networking file system. Repository URL. URL is a mirror list, configure proxy options as well. I can also modify repository if I want once it's selected here. Repository name, repository type. I'm going to cancel out of here. You can further customize the software selection now or after install via the software management application. I'm going to customize later, and then I'm going to click on Next. Checking dependencies in the packages selected for installation. Installation starting installation process. Okay, so it's going to do a whole bunch of stuff here. It's installing the bootloader now. Congratulations, your CentOS installation is complete. Please reboot to use the installed system. Note that updates may be available to ensure the proper functioning of a system, and installation of these updates is recommended after the reboot.